Good old South African patriot here. So let's quickly have a honest discussion about certain things in South Africa. So I think the best for South Africa would be for white people to just take themselves out of the economy and screw this government because they are screwing you over. You are paying taxes and you are getting nothing in return. Now let me tell you this today. The white South Africans need to honestly consider a revolution. And it's not an armed revolution, because an armed revolution is just cynical. It's stupid. It's dumb. But you do know what white South Africans do have. It's the financial power and the creativity to start and build something that these blacks will envy until the day that they die. I'm fed up with black people saying that, oh, you stole our land. Fucking, I'll give you the land and show me what you can do. You can do nothing. Because you're uneducated, you do not have the IQ to actually farm properly. Yeah, but you've got all the businesses. That's fine. Start your own business the same that the white dude did from the back of his car. No, but you only want to take from everybody. You cannot create, you cannot build yourself. And yes, there are black and colored and Indian people, especially the Indian community, that do build from nothing. There are black individuals and there are colored individuals that earn an honest day's keep and do start things that are out of the extraordinary. But keep on pounding on white people because you lack the capacity to actually do something with your life. It's so getting under my skin. It's irritating. You know when you work on the farm and you get a thorn in your finger, and for days you dig and you can't get it out, and eventually you leave it. And then eventually you pop it and all the shit comes out. That's, in a nutshell, South Africa. All the shit is inside and it's about to pop and explode. Because black people, for some reason, just cannot get with the fucking program. You're being lied to. You've been played. You think this is freedom. You don't know freedom, my friend. The black guy watching this, sitting, wondering to himself, what is he going to do next? White people need to really, a new revolution. A new revolution. And you need to be honest. You need to be honest with your fellow white South African. Because you're not being honest towards your white fellow South African. You're screwing them over. You're taking chances with them. You're being scallum around the corner with your own people. Shame on you. Shame fucking on you. Shame on you. Well, back at the ranch, we've got 900,000 white people living in absolute poverty. Squalor. Because we're being discriminated against. You need to grow a pair of fucking balls. And I'm not saying that we need to have an armed revolution, because that is not the way. But we can have other revolutions. Let's show the fucking EFF what a revolution is. Malema, you do not know what a revolution is. If 1 million white South Africans today decide not to pay tax, as a suggestion, what will happen to this country? And yeah, it's a difficult thing not to do because you've got businesses and maybe you work for somebody, you're forced to pay tax. But there's other ways to create a financial revolution. And I've always wondered why we've not done this. Because every single day I need to listen to this shit about how bad I am. I'm not bad. I don't go out and kill people and stab people and torture people on farms. In actual fact, you very seldomly hear a white person killing a black person. And if it does happen, it is front page news. You will then, believe me, if a white man kills a black man, you will know about it. I do apologize. I am fucking over this shit. It's terrible. We need to grow a pair of balls, ladies and gentlemen. We need to start to think about doing something different. We spoke about it the other day, myself and a couple of friends and my wife. Next year we have to go to municipal elections and there's nobody to vote for. Nobody that carries our concerns. Nobody that's willing to work for the community that we live in. Nobody. Nobody. Our current municipality around the corner from here on the farm are in absolute chaos. Corrupt to the core. They don't have money to fix pumps to give people water. They struggle to pick up the refuge. They struggle to maintain the roads. They barely do the basic stuff. Barely. And when you complain about it, they sit in front of you. And at the back is parked all of their million-rand vehicles. But they can't produce basic services for the people of a specific community. It is beyond revolting. It is beyond, I want to cots in my mouth if I think of what is happening in South Africa. It's sad. It's devastating. And it shouldn't be like that. Anyway.